Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of drop supplement. So it is basically an oral peptide drops that will help you to weight loss sport. So this is a dietary supplement that is a 30 ml bottle, and it has been recommended by many doctors, and a lot of influencers have been talking on about it on the social media lately. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, it's an oral treatment and adjustable serving size, easy to take and more readily available and cost effective solution. And they have also mentioned clearly what kind of the ingredients it includes. So these terms, transparency is basically a green signal about this product. And once I tried searching for it about the reviews of this product, as you can see, it has 88 trust score and it is safe verified. And once I tried to search for its domain name, its domain was registered in 2019, which means it's been there in market for a long time, and it was registered on one of the most authentic site. So in conclusion, I would say like these drops are actually the legit one. They're not a scam, based on the reviews of the people and based on the reviews of thousands of persons who have actually purchased this product. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.